Well, we have completed we've completed that M formation that I highlighted. I'll have to go back through the analysis, but I talked about coming down to what we've come down to. So at this point, what I would do is I'd start looking for my support areas, and I'm going to regard this candle here, all of that on the daily chart as a demand area. Now we're meeting the top of that demand area. We've subsequently moved up from there. Let's get rid of all these drawings. Leave that one on. The, the price is making a firm bottom. We've got this M formation on the hourly chart coming up into the origin of the last leg. So if you see that M formation, if you've been following my analysis, you know by now that I like these patterns. I use them in my analysis, and this is a supply area that we're moving towards, and we're doing so in a 38.2 Fibonacci correction so far. And this probably has some mileage on it, and I'd like to see that come up to towards 156, 155.90. 61.8. So I'm looking for the price to move up, as you can see. And other than that, I don't have anything much to offer. We would need to see if this does come up. Well, what I'm doing here is looking for the price to continue higher. But at this point, we can move down to a 15-minute chart and just start to monitor for a deceleration. Now you've got this imbalance of price between the highs and that candle there. So we can come up into that. I'm looking for a deceleration of that. So it would start to look something like I could draw it with some kind of, let's try and find a drawing tool, brush. So this sort of thing. So we can put a trend line on there as a gauge to whether the trend is going to start decelerating and start breaking that trend line. And if it does, we're going to start building our thesis that we're probably making a resistance up in here somewhere for the market to be resisted and start coming off the short to the downside.